Hi, this is Chef Isabella with Mansfield ISD, here to tell you about cheesy grits, which is our try something new for April. Grits are a very versatile item that can be used for breakfast, lunch, or dinner and can be served sweet or savory. So here we have our ingredients, which include quick grits, some milk, some shredded cheese, and some butter. We're going to start by putting our milk in a saucepan over medium-high heat and cook it until it's just below a boil, which is called scalding. We're going to stir it pretty frequently to make sure that the milk doesn't burn to the sides or the bottom of the pan. And once we get to that scalded state where you can see little bubbles coming up around the edge, we're going to add our quick grits. Once those are in, we're going to turn the heat down just a touch and we're going to stir continuously for about 1 to 2 minutes. And once those have thickened up to about the texture of oatmeal, they're basically ready to go, and they're a blank canvas to which you can add lots of other ingredients. So here we're going to add some butter to help make it a little bit more creamy. And in our case, we're going to add some shredded cheese, but you at home could add all sorts of things. I've seen people add jelly, crazy stuff, good stuff. But here we are adding our shredded cheese. We're going to stir that in until it's melted and turn off the heat. And we set aside a little bit of the cheese so we can garnish the top of it. Stir, 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 get that cheese nice and melty. And we'll get that served up. So here are our completed grits. You can serve them just as is with breakfast, or you can put some shrimp on top and have a wonderful lunch or dinner. So I look forward to seeing you guys at all Mansfield ISD elementary schools during lunchtime on Wednesday, 4/17 for a free sample. See you there.